Have you ever picked up your phone, opened your browser, and realized you've got so many tabs open you can't even remember why you opened half of them in the first place? It's a common problem. We leave pages open just in case, but they pile up until finding the one you actually need feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. Samsung thinks it has the answer, and it's using artificial intelligence to make it happen. In the newest Samsung Internet Beta, version to 9.0.0.7, there's a fresh feature called Auto Close Unused Tabs that can tidy up your digital mess automatically. You get to decide how it works. Set it to close tabs after 7 days, after 30 days, or let Smart Tab Management take over. That last option is where artificial intelligence comes in. It watches for signs that you've abandoned a tab and shuts it down as soon as it's clear you're not using it anymore. For people who are constantly researching, online shopping, or hopping between multiple topics, this could be a real time saver and help keep the browser running smoothly. No more endless scrolling through outdated articles or old product pages you've forgotten about, but Samsung hasn't stopped there. The update also includes a new grid view for tab management, making it far easier to see your open tabs in a clean, organized layout instead of one long vertical list. On top of that, they've added new tab scroll animations to make moving between pages feel smoother and more natural. It's a small touch, but it makes the overall experience feel more polished. The feature is currently part of the Samsung Internet Beta, which you can grab from the Galaxy Store if you want to test it out now. Historically, features in the beta tend to roll out to the stable version of Samsung Internet within a few weeks, so even if you don't install betas, you likely won't have to wait long. Of course, some people might worry about losing something important if AI closes it too soon, but that's why Samsung gives you the control to set the timing or even turn the feature off entirely. If you're cautious, the 30-day option is a safe bet, but if you want a constantly clean slate, Smart Tab Management is the way to go. Imagine your browser only showing tabs that are actually relevant to what you're doing right now. It could make finding information faster and reduce the clutter that slows you down. And for those of us who tend to forget about half the things we open, it's like having a helpful assistant who quietly handles the cleanup without you even noticing. It's worth noting that this is part of a broader trend where Samsung is sprinkling artificial intelligence features across its software, but here it feels genuinely practical rather than just for show. The combination of automated tab cleanup, better visual organization with grid view, and smoother navigation with new animations could make Samsung Internet feel more modern and efficient than before. So if you've been overwhelmed by too many tabs or frustrated by the clutter in your mobile browser, this update might be exactly what you need. The big question is, would you be comfortable letting artificial intelligence decide when to close your tabs, or would you rather keep full manual control? Either way, it's nice to see Samsung giving users more tools to keep things neat and fast. If you're curious to try it, check the Galaxy Store for the latest beta, and keep an eye out for it in the stable release soon. And if you like staying on top of simple but useful tech upgrades like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss an update.